Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new episode of New Moms Hub. So today's video is on a very important topic which I have been thinking about since the past 2 to 3 days. And since I'm also a part of many mommy related groups on Facebook, so I see many mommies struggling with it. And because I myself went through the same struggle, so here is my small way of helping you new moms. So today's topic is why should we not try to fit in? So when my motherhood journey began, unfortunately my mom was ill, so she wasn't able to take care of me and she couldn't be with me. So the women with whom I was surrounded, they were not too sensitive. In fact, they were mean towards me and I don't know. I would not blame them because they might have faced a situation similar to that. They might have not been treated well during their uh, postpartum days. So, mommies, we cannot blame others for their behavior. We do not know their background. We do not know the circumstances and experiences which lead them to behave this way in such critical situations. So, what we can do is let's not try to fit in. People give you advices once you become mothers. I do not know. I feel that they think that it's their birthright to give advices. Advices are good if given in a positive and a calming tone. Like I have myself received advices in very harsh tones. Like you should really be so sensitive towards a mother who is already going through so much, whose body is there are so many chemical fluctuations taking place in her body. There are so many changes. There are so many things that she is going on with mentally. So how you should be very much calm and you should be able to speak to her in a nice and a calm tone. But I don't see I have not experienced women speaking to me in that tone. So of course the initial few months were terrible for me. So we very well understand like what are the positive advices, and is the lady who's giving us advices, is she herself understanding that how it's all new to us and how she should help us in this. So I am highly disappointed. Like when I go back to that time, I'm really highly disappointed by the treatment that I have received during those days. So, mommies, there are certain things because I was not able to understand what is happening to me and what is happening in the environment. And of course, there was no one to guide me. So, the time was quite tough, and I do not want you to go through the same thing. So, right from day one, mommies, just stand your ground. Speak up if you find anything um, not suitable for you and your baby. Like till day I am bombarded with the advices of using diapers, and these people are giving me advices without even understanding why do I use it. So now I use it just in the night, but initially because I was operated, I was cut open in my stomach to bring a life. So it was very difficult for me to bend again and again to change the nappy of my baby. As I told you, it was just me taking care of my little one. So I had no help available. Again and again bending, my scars used to pain a lot. So for a little period, I started using diapers because they that used to give me comfort because I was not required to change the nappies again and again, and I was unable to bend. So using diapers gave me the much needed relief. Still, the ladies used to bombard me with that question, and that used to become so much irritating. Now, if they would have been wise enough, they would have asked me, what is the reason that you use diapers? And I would have explained to them in a very calm tone, and they would have understand or not, I don't know. So this is not only my situation, around 90% of the women go through the same. And yes, it's the ladies who are mean during this time. So we really need to be strong mentally. Do not give in, even if I was being told again, diaper, diaper, diaper. This word was just trying, they were just trying to imbibe this word into my mind and trying to make me feel low. I don't know. There were many negative influence that all those words were having on me, and the way they used to say was so terrible. So but I still did not give much importance to what they were saying. All I was focused on, I should do what is best for me and my baby, irrespective of what the people around me say. So, mommies, this is a very important thing. Just stand your ground. Do not give in. Do not try to fit in. Because the situation in which the people, the ladies who are making the noise, the situation in which they gave birth, the situation in which they have had the support of the people around them, that situation is different. Our situation is different. So, definitely the way they dealt with their situation in their time is going to be different. But not everyone is wise enough, so that is the reason they come with their untimely advices. So, my only first thing is just be strong, do what is best for you and your baby. And when the noise becomes too much, make it clear to them in your own way. Your words should not hurt them in any way, because um, we need to maintain our calm and our cool, because we have a little one to look after. But do make them realize that you are not very receptive of everything that they are saying to you, because it is having an impact on your mental stability. So, mommies, this is my only piece of advice: do not try to fit in, because once we become mother, God is so great. We are gifted with the maternal instincts which guide us. Like, even if there is a woman who gives birth to a child in a jungle, even if there is no one else around her guiding her, she will know how to feed her baby. She will know how to take care of her baby on her own. So, yes, this is the very natural basic truth of humankind. We mothers are blessed with the ability to take care of our baby right from day one. But yes, we have anxiety, we have stress, and sometimes, unfortunately, people around us add to all of that. So during such times, make sure that you do not give in, ignore them, and when the noise becomes too much, make it clear to them that this is not acceptable to you. Balance and happiness we have in our life, we, a family of three, um, the entire credit goes to my one single decision of minimizing people's interference and not taking any shit that they throw on you. Yes, you need to be very practical and you need to be very strong, mama, because um, once you are vulnerable, not everyone is wise enough or sensitive enough to understand how to treat you better. So do not give in, mommies. You are stronger than you think. Bye bye, take care, and whenever you need any kind of help, and if you're struggling with your initial days of motherhood, just you can reach out to me. You can message me personally on New Moms Up Facebook page, and stay tuned for more videos. I am going to share my struggles in detail and also the solutions with which you can deal with them with a peace and a calm state of mind, because motherhood is not at all stressful, mommies. Once we know what we are doing and once we are confident about ourselves and the decisions that we take during this journey, I think this is the most blissful part of our lives. So on that great note, have a great day everyone. Bye bye and take care.